family, welcome to another vlog. Today's vlog is going to be a day in the life type thing. Today I'm running a few errands. I have Nadia in the back and we are just gonna go on the town and do some stuff that I have to do. So I wanted to talk to you guys about this Yoni steamer pot that I found on Amazon. A lot of you guys have been asking me about videos like these, especially about steamers and just anything that has to do with the V area. So I found this great small business on Amazon. This is a V pot Yoni steamer seat, and this is the Yoni steamer herbs. It's going to help with fibroids, it's going to help with bacteria, it's going to help with odor, it's going to aid in preventing infection, and it's also going to help balance the bacteria and the pH inside the V area. So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to open up this so you guys can see. But first, I want to show you guys the pot first. All right, family, so this is the seat. It's pretty big. It has a cord here that you can plug in, and this is the on and off button. So this is what the top of it looks like. And you can push this in to use it, or you can take this lid off, and this is what the inside looks like. So it just has some like instructions in here. It has some maintenance stuff here. It has a booklet here that tells you a little bit about the seat. It shows you how you can use it, how you can take the top off. It tells you where to add the water. And this also fits in your bathroom. You can use it in your bedroom. You can use it anywhere that you feel comfortable. Again, this is the herb for it. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up so you guys can see what it looks like. This is what the herb looks like. This smells amazing, y'all. It smells amazing. The great thing here is that they have an amazing deal for my viewers and subscribers, and I'm gonna leave that in the description, so please make sure to check that out. And I really want you guys to try this out and let me know how you guys feel about it. Everybody's gonna use this for different reasons. This is not claiming to cure anything. So first of all, I will say that before you use anything like this, please talk to your doctor and make sure that it is safe for you. But if all is fine, I highly recommend that you guys try this. This is an amazing way to do a little, just self-treatment, self-care at home without breaking the bank. So I posted a picture on Instagram a few days ago, and I was wearing this hair because you guys know that I've been rocking the natural look for a while, and I just decided to like switch it up a little bit. And this is my favorite highlight, like the goldish blonde, not really blonde, but I feel like it's more gold than blonde, and then a little bit of black. This is my favorite hair color, by the way, if I'm gonna do any kind of color. Otherwise, I usually just do black. So anyway, I wore this hair, and a lot of you were asking me for a review on it, so look out for that. It's coming out, and I'm gonna have a discount code for you guys, just like I always do. So yeah, I did go yesterday and got my nails done. This is pink, by the way. I don't know if the camera is showing it, but it's pink. My favorite nail color is pink. I don't know why, I don't know how, but pink is one of my favorite colors. But for my toes, I usually do white. I always do white. I want you guys to remember that because I'm planning on doing a giveaway, and that's gonna be one of the questions. So if you watch this video, pay attention to that part. I'm gonna come up with a question in regards to either my nails or one of my favorite color or something like that. So it's gonna be a nice giveaway, and you guys are gonna love it. Anyway, the first stop I have to make today is go to the bank because I lost my bank card, and oh my god, I have no cash. I don't remember my PIN number, so I have to go to the bank to get money to do anything. So that's the first stop we're gonna make today, and I have a ton of other things to do, so let's go. So we are here at the bank, and unfortunately the ATM is not working, so we have to go inside. If you guys have a toddler, you know that this is the most difficult thing to do. A baby or a toddler, you have to carry their car seat, or if they don't have a car seat, if they're old, you have to take them out of the car, hold their hands, because the first thing they do when they get out is to run. They want to run as if they want to escape or something. So you have to really pay attention and grab them out of the car, hold their hands, and walk them into wherever you're taking them. And then you got to watch them the whole time you're there. Yeah. Perks of being a mom. I wouldn't trade it though. I love my baby. See, she's ready to run. See what I said? She's ready to go. Come here, Nadia. We are here at the Chase Bank. We have to walk in there, like I said, because the ATM is not working. So we're gonna go get some Starbucks. At least I am. Nadia just wants to be at the car. Look at her. This is the Starbucks we're coming to. Wait for mommy. I don't know how she gets so much energy. Like, where does she get it from? I'm jealous. This way. Go up. There you go. Look at my big girl. She hates getting her hands dirty. There you go. Go in. Where's the doors? Over here. Let me help you with that. Nadia got some Starbucks, y'all. Don't worry, there's no coffee in it. It's basically whipped cream and strawberry something. But I got the fruit refresher, strawberry dragon fruit refresher. This actually has coffee in it.
Ooh, yummy.
Kiss mommy. All right, family, so our next stop is the dentist. The dentist. I said dentist like the name dentist. That's my series now. Only my Liberian people will understand that one. Anyway, we are here at the dentist. It's for me. Nadia back there with her iPad. The dentist is for me, y'all. I need to see a dentist. I need to establish one out here. This is one of the things we've been dealing with, is like reestablishing everything out here. So from a primary care doctor for myself, one for Nadia, trying to find a daycare out here, trying to come up with a routine or a schedule of when to see a doctor, when to see the dentist, and how often we should see them. Just everything I feel like is starting over, because she already, especially for Nadia, she already had her primary care doctor and I really trusted her. But now being in a new city, we have to find someone we really trust. So that's just one of the things about moving that sometimes you really don't factor in. It's almost like starting everything over. It's a good thing, don't get me wrong. I love it out here, and it's, again, I've said it 1,000 times, there's no comparison at all to Ohio. Bigger city, more things to do, more people to see, just a lot more to do out here. But when you've lived somewhere from when you were like really young to adulthood, and then you have to uproot and go somewhere else and do that, it's almost like starting over, and that's the hardest part. But besides that, everything is fine. I'm excited. So I want to get my teeth cleaned. I want to establish a regular normal relationship with a dentist and a primary care provider. You know, as nurses, we take care of people all the time, but we don't take care of ourselves. We miss our doctor's appointments and we're like, oh, it's okay. But then we're over there telling the patients, you have to go see your primary care provider. You have to see your doctor. We don't go by what we say, basically, as nurses. All right, family, so we're back from the dentist. I didn't film in there because it was private. And secondly, Nadia was giving me a hard time in there. I usually bring her iPad with her when I come out without Gerald, because somebody has to hold her. She is at that age where she wants to touch everything. She wants to discover everything, and she's a lot to deal with. So I didn't film in there, so I just put my phone away and did my appointment. But I'm done. I've established something, and hopefully I can keep up with it. And yeah, let's go to the next stop. All right, family, we made it home. I ended up stopping the whole filming process because that one back there was giving me a hard time, but I'm just glad we're home. We made it home on time for her bedtime. So I'm gonna go ahead and feed her and get her ready for her bedtime. And then that's the time I use to do other things for myself as well. Take your jacket off. Good job. Good job, big girl. Oh, now she's gonna take her shoes off. Good job. Good job, Didi. Let's go take a nap. It's nap time. You tired? Let's go take a nap. It's not time to play. It's bedtime. Get in your bed. Just changing into something comfortable so I can go work a little bit while Nadia's sleeping. I just got a package. You know how exciting that can be. It's an Amazon package. I know what it is already, but I'm gonna act like I don't. I ordered a play set for Nadia for her bedroom. So I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and see. Yes, that's exactly what it is. It is a play table chair set type thing for kids. It came earlier than I expected, but there it is. I'm about to open it. I don't see any instructions, but I'm sure these are the tools. Let's see. Yep. We got 4 big, strong tools, or screws, I should say. These must be the legs. I'm sure they are. These are the chairs. Here we go. Here are the instructions. And this is the table itself. Those are the 2 chairs. They're really cute, y'all. Now I just gotta do the table. Here it is, Nadia's own little dining set, her workstation, PlayStation, everything. It's all ready. I did a pretty good job here. That thing was a workout. My arms were starting to hurt, but I'm glad I did it. Look at this. This is so cute. And it matches my nails, baby pink. Look at that. Okay, Nadia's sleeping, so I'm gonna put it right here until she wakes up. She's gonna be so excited when she wakes up to see this. So I'm just gonna work on this video that I've already filmed I'm working on editing it so I can have it up sometime this week. I'm not sure if I'll have it up. My consistency has been horrible. But I'm trying my best. I'm surviving. I have a lot going on. I have a lot to deal with, so it's gonna catch up, I promise. Y'all know that when I get consistent, it's every other day. Like every other day is a video. So don't worry about that. The consistency is gonna come back. But yeah, so normally when Nadia's sleeping around this time, this is when I take the time to edit or answer my emails if I haven't already done it in the morning, which is what I normally do. I'll wake up super early in the morning, work out if I have to that day, get breakfast ready, take my bath, get myself ready. By this time, Gerald is probably gone to work, and then Nadia's still sleeping at that time, so then I'll just answer my emails, do some posts, or do whatever I need to do, and then my day is basically surrounded by Nadia and what she wants. So again, now that she's sleeping, this is the best time for me to edit without distractions, without getting up every second to check on her. I can go at least 2 hours, so I like that. And then once she wakes up, I can still edit, but I know I'm gonna get distracted. I know I have to do mommy stuff. I know I have to do wifey stuff. So yes. Then at nighttime, around 8, 9-ish, when she goes to bed, then I can either get back to my filming or editing or doing whatever I need to do, or just hanging out with Gerald, or just whatever is planned. Every day is different. I try to stay with a routine, but there's not really a routine when it comes to a toddler and when it comes to the situation we're in right now. So we play it by ear, basically. So yes, I'm gonna be editing for the next 2 hours at least until Nadia wakes up, and then I'll have some content ready. All right, family, I did it. I am super excited, and I know Nadia is gonna love it when she wakes up from her nap. I do plan on transforming her entire room, the bed, the walls, everything. So stick around for that. I just wanted to show you guys that little unboxing of her table and chair for her play area. But I'm gonna be doing some DIY stuff in her bedroom, some painting, some decorating. So don't you worry, I got your back. I'm gonna show you the whole process. That may be the next few videos. I'm not even gonna promise anymore that it's gonna be the next video. Whenever something pops into my head and I feel like I need to film it, or it's easy to film at that moment, that's what I'm going for right now. So there is no structural plan as to how the home decor is gonna go. We're just going with the flow. So stick around, you're gonna see everything when it comes out. We do plan on doing the kitchen as well. I don't know if you guys saw the home tour, but the kitchen cabinets are black and we want to turn it white, so we'll be working on that as well. We might pay someone to do it, or we might do it ourselves. We've never done anything like that before, and the kitchen is a pretty big deal and it's important, so we don't want to mess it up. So if that's something we're gonna do, we're gonna have to do a lot of research and watch a lot of videos here on YouTube to be able to do that, because I don't want to mess it up. Otherwise, we'll just pay somebody to do it and get rid of the headache. But that is it for today's video, y'all. Thank you guys for hanging out with Nadia and I. Thank you for your love and support. Thank you for everything that you guys do for us. Thank you for your patience with these videos. Thank you guys. I love you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.